Today we're going to be running through the RS620A-E10-RS12 system from ASUS. I'm Angus with Server Factory. Let's jump straight in. This system is the first 6-node system that focuses on density whilst only being a 2U form factor. It supports 6 NVIDIA T4 GPUs, presuming there's one per node. The RS620A has optimized performance for the data center with a single socket AMD EPYC 7002 processor and 8 DIMMs per node. In terms of memory, there's a total of 8 slots per node with a maximum capacity of up to 512 GB of RDIMM DDR4 memory. This system comes with 12 hot swap storage bays, all supporting NVMe PCIe 4. It offers fantastic redundancy and maintenance, as you can easily remove server nodes if you have a failure without affecting the uptime of other nodes. On the topic of redundancy, the system also boasts 2 3000 watt platinum PSUs, which offer the best efficiency possible and will save you power over running 6 individual servers. The RS620A has a unique data cable routing tunnel design, which provides organized cable management and protection as the cables run through the inner left side of the system. Let's talk ports. Per node, there are 2 USB Gen 1 ports, a VGA port, an RJ45 1GBE LAN port, and an RJ45 management port. And that's pretty much the system. To put it simply, with the RS620A, you are getting 6 separate servers in one box, which is very unique for this size of package. If you're looking to upgrade your system and the RS620A sounds like what you need, head over to www.serverfactory.co.uk or get in touch for more information. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.